I can now export this out into an Excel spreadsheet. I'd hide a lot of those columns. Listen, I've got PaperSave out there for a lot of things, and we give a lot of documents, a lot of information, but I can export this out. This is 249 documents. And I'm just going to hide some of these, but whatever the data is across that, I don't have a lot of information here, but you can share that. So if it was that smart list, I'd have the vendor name, the transaction information, the dollar amount, the due date, the GL distribution, or if it was the list from Business Central, I'd have all of that information. I could export it out, maybe share it with the auditors, and they can see all of that data along the spreadsheet. And then I also give them the ability to look at the document. So there's a lot of ways to share that information.